In this tutorial, we're going to go over LeetCode 628, maximum product of three numbers. Now, this is part of the math series, a series I highly recommend going through. Now, we can see here this question is asking, given an integer array nums, find the three numbers whose product is maximum and return the maximum product. Now, here we can see we have 1, 2, 3, so 1 times 2 times 3 is going to be 6. Here we have 1, 2, 3, and 4, so we have four numbers, and we can see the maximum product among three of them is 24. And in this case, we have three negative numbers, so we have negative 3 times negative 2, which will return us 6 times negative 1, will return us negative 6. Now, there are a few ways we could do this question, but I'm going to try and answer it here in about 1 to 2 lines. To start off, what I could do is I could do nums.sort. Now, this is going to sort the list that's given to me here in nums, and we'll use that as part of our return answer. So we could do return, and we're going to take the max of whatever this next function is going to be. So we're going to go for nums negative 1, so the last number, times nums negative 2, the second to last number, and times nums negative 3, the third to last number. Now, this is of the sorted list, so make sure to keep that in mind. Now, after that, we're going to write another function. This is going to be nums0 times nums1 times nums negative 1. Now, I'll explain here. So, for example, this portion here is simply calculating the product of the top three largest numbers. On the other hand, this portion here is calculating the product of the two smallest or most negative and largest number. Now, I'll provide another example problem on screen that isn't one of these to hopefully build a little bit more intuition behind this answer. Now, after that, that's all we'll need to do, and we could run and test this. And you can see it's accepted. Now we'll submit. And we can see this answer beats 40% of answers in terms of runtime and 57% in terms of memory. Now that's you can do LeetCode 628, maximum product of three numbers. Feel free to leave any questions or comments down below, and I hope that helps.